Hello dear Goenkans. Today our topic is inserting columns and rows into a sheet. As you all can see on the screen, there is Mark's sheet of class 6 term first. Say for example, sometimes we forgot to insert a particular roll number and its details. Say for example, we forgot Kura is not roll number 6, somebody else is there and Kura is roll number 7. The whole sheet is made now just for one person's data. We cannot be deleting the whole sheet. For this we'll use the option insert. We can insert blank cells, we can insert a complete row, a number of rows, we can insert number of columns or a single column or a single row. For this purpose, we need to know inserting columns and row feature. Say for example, let's just pose a question like this on which we'll be working. Kurra's roll number is Ali's. We have roll numbers that start from 0, so Ali will be the roll number 0. So for this, instead of deleting the whole roll numbers, what we need to do is we'll click on the roll number where we need a change. We'll just then click on home, and then in the home tab we have an option in the cells in the cells area there is insert. We'll click on it, and then there is insert cell. You get a number of options, like see shift cell right. If we'll choose shift cell right, this will be blank, the roll number column, and then our data will shift to name. See, if we'll do this, okay, we just select it. As you all can see, roll number is now blank, but the data has shifted, like roll number 1, name, it all has shifted to the right. Now I have highlighted it so that we all can see the change. Now I don't need it, I want this back, so we'll go into the insert and then insert cell. What I need to do is I have to shift this one down. To shift cells down, we'll shift the cell to down. See, if you all can see the highlighted area, the highlighted cell has shifted one cell down. Now there is one more option in the insert. We'll again go into the insert, then insert cell. There is shift entire row. So this entire row will be we will get an entire row. If I'll click on it, the whole data, that is our first cell data, that is A4, this whole row will get shifted to down, as you all can see. Now we have the first row completely blank because whole data has been shifted to down. In insert we have another option. The same wise we can insert a column, but you should remember always one thing, that whenever you are inserting something, it will come a cell before, not after. So if I'll insert a sheet, see, you all can see the data has been shifted to the B column and we get a column that is A, that will be blank. Now using undo feature, as we all know, we'll just undo all the editings, all the things what we have done till now, so that we'll get our data in the same manner. Now our data is in the initial position. This was how we insert cells by using different options in our Excel file. Now second option is how to insert a complete row or a complete column. Say for example, we want to insert a column before Amina, before Fatima. So we'll just click on Fatima and then we'll click on insert sheet row. So a blank column is inserted. Now we want one more column before percentage, so we'll just choose the column and then we'll click on insert sheet column. So as you all can see, the ith column has been added to our sheet. Now we don't want this. The same way we can delete it by using the delete option. Here we can use delete sheet column and the entire row will be deleted. If we want to delete a row, we can just use it, delete entire sheet row. But there is a difference. When you want to insert a row or a column, you have to click on the cell before before which you want a column or a row. But when you want to delete a row or a column, you have to click on that particular row and column which you want to be deleted. Okay, this was for today. Thank you so much. Take care.